There is a new memorial here in Medjugorje. It was inaugurated 2 days ago, and it's to commemorate the Franciscans who were killed by the communists. And it's on the ground of the old church of Medjugorje, which is here. This was the old church of Medjugorje. And here you got the monument of the Franciscans killed by the communists, you know. So don't be fooled about communism, cultural Marxism, and all the other flowers of communism, you know. As Our Lady said in Fatima, if Russia isn't consecrated to Our Lady, as it wasn't, as it should have been, you see here, this is the result of it, the killing of Franciscan friars. We see the result around the world. We can still see it now. Everywhere around the world it is. And we have to pray against it. I tell you, brothers and sisters, from the heart, pray against communism, cultural Marxism, the School of Frankfurt. I am from Frankfurt. I pass the institute very, very often. It's coming from there again. And as you can see here with the babies, you know, love always wins. Cultural Marxism is attacking one thing, the Catholic faith, the Eucharist at the end, we saw already in the last years, and it's attacking the family. As Santa Lucia of Fatima, one of the visionaries, said, the end fight is about the family, because the family is the center of society. It's the nucleus of the society. If the family is broken, the whole society is broken. If the family is broken, the members are broken. And a broken person is very, very easy to influence, you know? Because emotions are there, anger is there, and a person who is angry is very, very easy to influence, you know? And a stable family produces stable human beings. And that's what the devil is attacking, stable human beings, you know, that we are in the center, that we are using our God-given talents, and that we are in God. A person who is not in peace is not in God. A person who is angry is not in God. And a person who is not in joy is not in God. Don't be fooled, you know. So the devil is attacking exactly that, your peace, your joy, your happiness. And he can attack that very well through divorce. He's attacking by that. I saw that so often in my environment. People who divorce separated. They're battling with depression. Their whole life project is falling apart in front of their eyes. They told me about that. And the devil knows exactly where to attack, you know, human beings. So be in prayer. Pray for our priests. Pray for our families. And I urge you to do that and pray for society. You see, we are not in peace. We are not in God. You see that all over the place, in small and in big. So pray, 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 as Our Lady said. God bless you all from Medjugorje.